Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saidi Imran Yusuf. My student number 181010. My class A 6 semester. Today I will presentation about material is linguistic variable. What is linguistic? Apa itu linguistic? The linguistic term comes from a lingual word that means language in Latin. General linguistic is language in general that is not tied to just one language. The study of learned language in general, which includes a regional language, Indonesian or a foreign language. Istilah linguistik berasal dari kata lingua, yang artinya bahasa. Linguistik ini mempelajari atau mengkaji bahasa, menelah atau mempelajari bahasa secara umum yang mencakup bahasa Indonesia, bahasa daerah, dan bahasa asing. The second material, code in linguistic. In linguistic, substitution is that as of another language in one conversation to adapt to another role of situation or because of another participant. Kata kode ini, misalnya kita ngomong kepada yang lebih tua, pasti kita akan menggunakan intonasi yang sopan. For example, when talking to older people, it should be polite, good intonation. So our language is abstract. Then if you talk to your first or people we know very well, the codes we ask are valid or siang, whatever defined on the station. What is linguistic? Sociolinguistic is the study of relationship, or in other words, how society influences language and how language affects society. Sociolinguistik adalah ilmu yang mempelajari tentang hubungan antara masyarakat dan bahasa, atau dengan kata lain bagaimana masyarakat itu menggunakan atau mempengaruhi masyarakat dalam bahasa. Variants of the language. The linguistic variant is one of the sociolinguistic phenomena. Language variability occurs in the next aspect of language. Sociolinguistic itself comes from two words, socio and sor. The word socio means is associated with the sociality and inequality in the study of language. It can be said the sociolinguist is branch of the language that study the relationship between the society and language in the language from the user point of view in society. Variants of the language. Kita tahu di Indonesia ini beragam banyak bahasa. Jadi bukan satu bahasa saja. Nah, maka dari itu kita pasti akan menemukan banyak bahasa di Indonesia. For example, regional dialect. Example, the Japanese language has several dialects of the Surabaya, Jogja, Solo, and Banyumasan. To say you in the language, there are separate dialects of Kue, Siro, Riko, Ko, and Your Crow. Seperti di Jawa, kamu itu bisa menjadi Kue, Siro, Riko, Ko, seperti yang ada di Indonesia. Seperti kamu, dari kamu, side, p, and other. Regional dialect ini adalah dialek yang digunakan berdasarkan letak regional atau daerah tempat tinggal. Sedangkan social dialect example, Japanese is known for spontaneity. When speaking with older people are supposed to have higher social status, speaker tend to speak in language will for their birth in is ngoko. Nah, sama seperti yang ada di Indonesia. Seperti kita ngomong kepada dosen pasti menggunakan bahasa yang lebih sopan. Nah, Pengertian dari sesuai dengan dialek example itu dialek yang digunakan berdasarkan kondisi sosial, kelas, pendidikan, budaya dan lain-lain. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.